Hey everybody, I got a card opening thing for you. It's not Pokemon, it's not baseball cards, it's Geeky Girl's favorite. I bought this box off of Fanatics, I think, which is crazy. I got in the queue for a more rare set to try to get a hold of, but haven't heard about that yet, if I've gotten it or not. But this is the Star Wars 2024 Topps Chrome set, and you're guaranteed 4 Refractor Parallel cards per box. And I'll show you. I don't know what the super rare ones are, but let's look on eBay for the ones that have sold recently. But my problem is, I want to keep some of these. I know I'm going to want to keep some of these. But let's open this up, see what I got. Hoping for some of these. Looks like this one's one of the ones that sells. Believe that's from that set. We got lots here. I'm not sure if that one's part of the set there. Orange Refractor Parallel Base, maybe. So some of them can be worth some money. But here's the rub. I might want to keep some of these. Ooh, that's a cool Shin one. Okay, so let's unbox this and see what there is to see. Oh dear. Okay, got a little hole started here. Hold on. There we go. Okay. So I believe there are 8 packs in here. Let's see. Yeah, let's see. We've got Ahsoka. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's start with the first pack. Let's see what we get. Ooh, Moff Gideon's good. Let's see what it looks like. I don't know what the refractors look like, so I mean they're all chrome. Kosher Reeves from The Mandalorian. Moff Gideon. Wait, do I doubles in the first one? Come on now, what's up with that? Sorry, that was loud. Moff Gideon. I thought it said Bob. Hi, I'm Bob. I'm the robot Bob. It's 88. Sabulba. And Moff Gideon again. I'm like, really? That's just ridiculous. All right. Packet number 2. Okay, we got Bix. That's from, I think she's on Andor. Really great series. Yay, got Sabine. That's one I'm keeping. Actually, most of the Mandalorian stuff I'm keeping. Got Axe Wolves. Plo Koon. See something special coming up. We've got Rise of Palpatine. Dueling with Yoda. What? I don't think I've seen this. Oh, that's cool. Okay, so this is one of those red refractor cards. I believe it's what they're called. Guaranteed refractor parallel cards per box. So that's one of them. That's actually kind of cool, the Purge Trooper. Not too shabby. Okay. Packet number 3. Dr. Quadpaw. The normal Purge Trooper. Obi-Wan Kenobi. Captain Phasma. Paz Vizsla. I'm not sure. In The Mandalorian. That's the first one. All right. What are we on? Packet 4 now? Trying to be gentle because I don't want to damage anything. Q90. The Duchess. Yeah, that was funny. Ned B. Hi, I'm Ned B. We got Bob earlier, now we got Ned. Jabba the Hutt. Oh, I see the refractor coming up. We got Luke Skywalker. This one is different. Maybe not. Maybe it's just because it's on a dark background. It does say something right there. Yeah, I don't know. It might be a special card. We got a refractor behind it. Yeah, it's a little bit different. And then we have the red refractor card of the Obi-Wan Kenobi one. which is the same card as earlier, but it's just the red refractor version. It's kind of cool. Okay, number 5. Perrin Bertha. Don't remember him at all, actually, on Mothma. I will say Disney has done a great job of fleshing out this character. Definitely. She was in the original trilogy, and they've really fleshed her out with a lot of backstory. Poe Dameron. This is a different one. This actually might be worth something. I don't know. This gear card for Leia? I'm not sure. Again, have to look this stuff up. And we got another Java, and we started with him. All right, I forgot what number we're on now. Is this number 6? Yeah, I think this is number 6. We got Bel Sartha. Scad? Not sure. Mayfield. A lot of independents. Chewbacca. Making sure that's focused in. Another Rise of Palpatine card. This must be a series. Something about a super weapon. And red refractor Q90. And then back to the beginning. I think that was my 4th red refractor. It'd be nice if I got a 5th, but who knows? This is package number 7. Is it Jin, Quinn, Gwyn? Not sure. Independent. Princess Leia as a child. This is from Obi-Wan Kenobi. 4th sister. Kit Fisto. We saw her earlier. And him. All right, last packet, everybody. Number 8. Trying to be gentle. All right, we got somebody who, yikes, okay. Frida Palomar, not sure. Morgan Elsbeth, great character. And this outfit is an homage to Bruce Lee. You got to look up her dad, actually, worked with him. We have another red refractor coming up, but that's a cool one. I got another Paz. Luminara Unduli. Another Rise of Palpatine card. Tempting Luke Skywalker to the dark side. And we got the red refractor for the Duchess. I don't know if they've done a red refractor for everybody, but it's cool. So those are my cards that I got. What do you guys think? I'm gonna look up some of them, especially the ones that are a little bit different, and see if they're worth anything. Some obviously I'm gonna keep. I'd like to display them, but I gotta figure out how. But let me know what you think. If you guys are into that, collecting it, let me know if there are any rare ones that you saw. I'll do my research, but I'm curious to hear from you what you think. All right, thank you guys for joining me on the unboxing of the Star Wars cards. I'm hoping I get the expensive set, because if I get that, there might be some exciting autograph cards on that. Fingers crossed. All right, if you guys haven't subbed, consider subscribing. Click like down below, it helps the channel out, and I'll see you next time. Bye!